ay a real piece ng World War II artifact, a Paratrooper Compass. Looks like parang ordinary old compass, right? Pero there's still something hidden about them.
Infantry who well know the
Back
North
sa World War
African
II, paratroopers kailangan ng reliable way para mag-navigate, especially during the night. That's where itong mga compasses are used. Yung way how it works ay yung dial nakamix with radium at luminous pink called zinc sulfide. At yung zinc sulfide reacts sa mga alpha particles and nag-emit from radium, causing yung glow na yon. Radium ay more radioactive than uranium. Nakakuha ko ang orange blister with picture. Sila ay radioactive kasi uranium oxide sa place. Like 1 million times more radioactive. Nag-give off sila ng alpha, beta, at gamma radiation. At gamma radiation ay one yung kailangan mong yung careful for. Ito ay powerful at nakakapag-go through solid materials. Ang half-life ay 1600 years. At yung mga small amounts of it nag-decay into radon-222. Itong radioactive gas nag-emit alpha radiation. Also one of yung mga risk para sa mga lung cancer. Gagamitin ko itong aking WW2 which kung magamit ng Geiger pancake detector. Ito ay highly sensitive sa mga alpha at beta particles. At also picks up gamma. Now let's see kung ano spicy itong Radium Compass ay. Wow, check out mo yung readings na yun. 230,000 counts per minute. Almost hitting 300,000 counts per minute. Halfway to overload. Ayun ay hot. Definitely hindi mo mapupunta sa pocket all day. Now, i-switch ko yung measuring units. Gagamitin ko disintegrations per minute. Wala ko nakita yung nuclide set para sa radium-226. So, inilagay ko sa default, carbon-14. Check mo yan now. Nakapeak sa 3 million disintegrations per minute. Ngayon, i-switch ko yung nuclide table. Check natin cesium-137. $700,000 disintegrations per minute. Ito is still a lot. Ngayon, switching over sa Radioactive PRD. At yup, yung readings are above 1,000 counts per second. Ayan ay pretty active. Let's check dose rate, measuring microrengens per hour. Ito ay nag-show around 290 to 330 microrengens per hour. At pag na-convert natin yan, ito ay about 2.9 to 3.3 microsieverts per hour. Not insanely dangerous short term. A dental x-ray binibigay ka 5 microsieverts per hour. So one quick dose. Yung Radioactive PRD picks up yung mga gamma rays, then causes flashes, at kina-convert them into signals. At ito is more sensitive to gamma rays, especially sa mga low energy ones. Pero ito ay blind sa alpha at low energy beta. Pero makaka-detect higher energy beta radiation. Pag na-ever come across these sa mga thrift store antique shops, now alam mo kung ano ito. Also, handle mo to with care. Any questions sa video nito, i-drop it mo sa comments below. Pag na-enjoy mo tong video, please pabigyan mo ng like, share, at subscribe sa aking channel para sa more content like this at sa inyong support. Salamat sa panood at kita sa next video.